Debt consolidation advice you need. There are numerous methods of dealing with debt, but the most overlooked and misunderstood is debt consolidation. There are many myths and half-truths that can often mislead those in a financial crisis. The following article has compiled some great tips to help you get started with consolidating your debt and making your financial future a happy one. Talk to friends, family and co-workers. You aren't the only one with money problems, and chances are that someone you know already has some experience with debt consolidation. This is a great way for you to find a company you can trust, so that you can avoid using a less than reputable company. Don't make any decisions on a whim. Seriously, you're talking about your personal finances here, something that will affect the quality of your life in many ways. Because of this, real research is needed. Understand what got you here, learn about your options, and fully research the debt consolidation firms you are considering. Before you start debt consolidation, make sure to check your credit report. When you know exactly where your problems are, you can take the initial steps to solve them. Make sure you calculate whom you owe money to and the current status of that, your total debt, and more. It's nearly impossible to restructure your finances if you don't know anything about them. Make sure to take a look at the interest rates offered by any debt consolidation program you are considering. Remember that your goal is to reduce your monthly payments, and you won't do this if you consolidate to a higher rate. This is an area where it is really important to compare different programs, so take your time and find one that offers you the best rates. If you own a home or land and have built up equity, you may qualify to take out a line of credit or home equity loan. These loans allow you to borrow against the equity of your home, giving you instant access to cash to pay off your outstanding debts. Make sure that the money you pay through the company to your creditors actually goes to them. In the case of agencies that are not on the up and up, occasionally some of that money will go toward their random fees instead of to your creditors. This is obviously a situation you want to avoid. Find a debt consolidation agency that hires qualified counselors. Ask about the background and the certification of the counselors before becoming a client. Ideally, a debt consolidation counselor should be certified by the NFCC or another recognized professional organization. Do not work with an agency that does not hire qualified staff. When consolidating your debt, it is extremely important to find reputable, respected debt consolidation company. Before hiring a debt consolidation company, consider how long the company has been in business, the company's perceived reputation and the amount of money that the company charges in fees. Shop around to find a debt consolidation company that meets your needs. If you want to have a debt consolidation agency help you, ask how your funds will be protected before payments to your creditors are made. Some agencies will keep your funds in a savings account until it is time to pay your creditors, while others might invest the funds for a short amount of time. Debt consolidation can work for you if you know how to take advantage of the process to suit your needs. There are many pros and cons, as well as companies out there preying on the less fortunate. However, just by reading this article, you are on your way to living a life with less debt.